How to recover Quora password? Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your Quora application on your device. Once you open up this application, you will be able to see this interface. So in order to log in, you can either continue with Google or Facebook. You can also log in by entering your email or password. For that, you have to go for login option. And once you're here, you'll be able to see the text box where you have to enter your email and password. Since we're trying to recover our Quora password, you have to go for forget password option at the bottom. And here you need to enter your email to reset your password. You have to simply tap on the text field and enter your email. Once you enter that, you have to check mark on I am not a robot option over here, and you have to verify by solving some of the captcha. Once you are verified, you'll be able to see the tick mark over there, and you need to tap on the submit option in the right upper corner, and you need to check your Gmail for the email. For that, you have to go back and open up your Gmail application. And here you can see Quora has sent me an email for resetting password. A link has been received. You have to simply tap on this link and you'll be opened up to this interface where you can enter your new password and confirm password. For entering, you can simply tap on the box and enter. Once you're done creating a password, you can go for reset password option. And after that, my password has been changed and I have once again opened up to this interface. So you have to simply tap on login option, and from over here you have to enter your email and enter your password. Once you're done, you can go for login option in the right upper corner. And right after doing that, you will be directly logged into your account. So this is how you recover Quora password. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.